guys, just a quick video about Helium10 because we have right now an offer that I've never seen before. We have 35% discount for 12 months of the Platinum plan of Helium10. As I mentioned, I've never seen this offer so far in my KDP history, and very important, the 12 months, so whole year, 35%, doesn't mean that you have to subscribe to Helium10 for a whole year. You can easily create an account, use the discount, and after 1 month, you can cancel or pause the subscription and reuse it if you want to. Okay, so everything is clear. The first link in the video description leads you to exactly this page. As you can see right now, it's in German, but you have here this button, 35% off for absolutely insane 12 months. You click on the button, you will lead to the payout, to the checkout. As you can see, the coupon code is already implemented. As you can see, you don't have to pay $99 for the monthly payment for the Platinum plan. You just have to pay $64. So you create an account, continue to payment, and as I mentioned, you don't have to pay the 12 months to use the code. You can easily pause or cancel the subscription after 1 month, 2 months, or whatever. A big thanks in advance if you're using the link to support the YouTube channel, to support the content. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down in the comment section down below. And then there's nothing more but to say. I wish you all the best. I wish you a successful Helium10 launch, and see you in the next video.